family, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas with the Cookbook Kitchen. My name is Carol. Karibu sana to today's video. In today's video, we are going to make some cranberry whipped feta dip. I'm going to use Claudia's website, Creative in My Kitchen, and from that particular website, I'll get the recipe for the cranberry sauce, and then we will make the feta dip later. So guys, welcome. Let's see what we're working with. So today's recipe, like I said, is from the website Creative in My Kitchen, and we're going to make the cranberry sauce. I have some cranberries, I have some water, I have some lemon juice, I have some erythritol, and some orange zest. So let's begin. So my cranberries, the water, the orange juice, and the sweetener. We're going to cook on medium heat for around 20 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but I'm using dried cranberries. This is what is easily available in Kenya, so that's what we're using. I'm going to put some salt and the orange zest. Here's our cranberry sauce. We are going to let it cool completely, and then we make our whipped feta cheese. I'm going to use a food processor. This is my feta cheese. It is 250 grams. Some garlic, cream cheese, 200 grams. I'm using some thyme, so I'm going to pulse until everything combines well. Then later I'll add some olive oil. A tablespoon of olive oil. Look at that, guys. So let's assemble everything. It looks so nice.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream from heaven afar.
So guys, time to taste. Let me show you as I dip. Look at all this yumminess. So guys, let me continue enjoying my cranberry whipped feta dip. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Don't forget to like, to share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye bye and God bless.